In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight events in Google Calendar. This is a handy feature that will help keep your schedule organized and allow you to easily spot important appointments or meetings at a glance. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Google Calendar. You can do this by heading to the Google Calendar website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in Google Calendar. And make sure you click on the first result that pops up. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar homepage. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to log in. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Simply type in your email, and once you've done that, click on the Next button. After entering your email, you'll need to input your password to access your calendar. Go ahead and enter your password, and again, click Next, and you'll be directed to your main calendar interface. Now that you're all set up and logged in, let's find the event that you want to highlight. Browse through your calendar and locate it. Remember, it's as simple as navigating to the right day and time. Once you've found the event you'd like to highlight, it's time to take action. With the event in view, use your mouse to right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options related to the event. From here, you'll be able to personalize your event by adding colors or markers that will make it stand out. Unfortunately, as of now, Google Calendar doesn't offer a built-in feature specifically called Highlight. But here's a handy workaround. You can use the color coding feature to give the event a standout color. When you right-click on the event and the menu appears, look for the color palette or a change color option. Some might find it under more settings, but it's generally quite straightforward to spot. Choose a color that's different from the rest of your events. This color differentiation is what will make your event stand out and effectively become highlighted. That's it. Once you've selected a color, simply click away to save changes, and voila, your event is now highlighted. With this method, you can prioritize or organize your calendar visually, making it easier to manage your schedule effectively. And there you have it, the complete method to highlight events in Google Calendar. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be a pro at managing and customizing your calendar events. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.